these women like.
Go to the rescue, please. It's getting cold out, winter is coming in. I'm here to let you freeze. You already told me that all many dogs, yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, my ninjas. Y'all know I had to start my video off with a sister as usual, just to piss the Becky lovers off. Got them over there squirming like a vampire that got hit by the sun. Them ninjas like, CommonSense, come on, bro. Well, now my ninjas, don't be mad. I'm doing it for y'all and I'm doing it for Becky. You know, I'm just trying to help you ninjas to make a real informed decision about where you want to spend the rest of your life, my ninja. And why am I doing it for Becky? Well, shit, I don't want you to waste Becky time. You know they don't age well. Well, shit, my ninjas. No wonder they choose the bill. These bitches ain't afraid of anything. She didn't even flinch. She just followed through like, ooh, that's a good shot. That's a good shot. This is some crazy shit. Jesus Christ. Damn. Maybe that's why Grandpa used to whoop Grandma's ass, man. Just to get some respect out of her or something.
Hey, gay niggas really a vibe.
I won't even let you finish that statement, Batty boy. I'll Batty man for dead slash.
You think I built mine just for me? I built this for you. When are you gonna eat?
Shit, my ninjas. Becky don't even know. You hear me? So, my ninjas, listen to me. See, this is a, when your nose is running, you grab yourself one of these Kleenex, right? And they're soft. I'm not even sponsored. I just got it. I just use it because I like the. Your nose running? You need to blow your nose.
I'm about to fold you like that napkin.
Let's go, girls.
Shit. Yeah, God. Woo.
Ninja? Really?
I'm sorry.
You just will not learn, huh?
Yeah, but it just, I know that clip was a little long. I know some of you ninjas are probably wondering, why was it so long? Well, two things. One, I needed time to recoup. And two, my ninja.
Why are you gay?
Why is it that the females who have too much pride to put their baby daddies on child support don't have too much pride to ask a like me to pick up the slack?
Hold on, let's stick with that one. My ninjas, they acted like if that ninja said some shit when he didn't even say nothing. He's dating a single mom. That means he don't respect himself. So why should she? Yeah, if you're a man and you couldn't find a woman with no kids, or date a woman whose kids are so grown that they're not even at the crib, if you're gonna put yourself last, how do you expect other people to put you first, man? Ninja, come on, man. Get these ninjas out of here. Who birthed these ninjas, man? Well, shit, man. Nah. Yeah, my ninjas. All a real ninja need is a sister. Replace my I just popped her like a sensu bean, my ninjas. Yeah. Let Mrs. Ninja come and try some shit though. I'm ready.
My kings out there that have been cheated on by their women. Stop making it your fault. Yes, women cheat too. Now, here's the other thing. Sex is one of the strongest forces in the universe that we have to deal with. This is about self-mastery. It's not even about what's going on in a relationship. This is about self-mastery. Okay? So if you think just because somebody says they love you, or you think just because they want to be in a relationship with you, that means that that's going to dissolve all their traumas that they come with, you know what I'm saying? And that they're going to know how to deal with their traumas? Nah, people gonna mess up. So here's the thing. Make sure you're with someone that is interested in mastering themselves and everything that they come with. And I know that there's a lot of pain that comes with infidelity, but relationships is a spiritual endeavor.
My ninjas, if it's one thing some of these bitches don't come in a short supply of, is audacity, my ninjas. You know, here's my conspiracy theory, my ninjas. I believe Will Smith is probably gay, right? Secretly gay. And she knows, and she have like videos and shit. And she's like, I'm gonna use you to like boost my career and shit. And you can't say nothing. If you say anything, or if you try to divorce me, I'm gonna release everything. And that's why Will Smith take all this shit. Because no man in his right mind should be with a woman who, this is some crazy shit, my ninjas. Jada is the final boss of bitches, my ninjas, real shit.
How many shots until you become easy? 16. 16? Why 16? Because I'm not easy at all. Yeah, 100. One shot. One shot. I'm easy as fuck.
I don't know why this is a one. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know some of them ninjas over there like, CommonSense, you didn't post that ad, bro. Oh my god, next clip, man, next clip.
Alright, hey guys, so I just got this new dress. Literally ripping. Oops. What do we think? I don't know how to feel. I think this is made out of neoprene. I'm pretty sure. Super cute. This like really took a long time to put on. But oops. Do you like it?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. I've been waiting on y'all find that. Okay, look here. Okay. Look here. Look here. Let me. It's them ninjas, right? Them ninjas. Them ninjas was wilding. That they just had me like. I'm sorry.
You know what? Because I love you, I'm gonna stay this time.
I'm sorry. I didn't even mean it. I didn't even know why I would do something like that. I apologize. Fuck you, niggas. Well, shit, my ninjas. That was embarrassing. Yeah, now I'm going to the hyperbolic time chamber and train, because I can't. I'm tired of getting abused like this. I need to get stronger to fight back. So, like and subscribe, my ninjas.
CommonSense Ninjaz, keeping you on your toes. CommonSense Ninjaz, got the matrix getting exposed. There's a war of masculinity, they trying hard to dumb us down. There's a war of masculinity.